Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make any photo fit as your wallpaper. So let's get started. So if you want to fit any photo as a wallpaper on your device, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your settings application, and after opening up your settings application, from here what you can do is just simply scroll down and you will find display option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on display, now you just have to tap on advanced and you will find wallpaper option. Just tap on wallpaper, and now you can just simply go ahead and then add a wallpaper. You can add a live wallpaper, you can select a photos, or you can add a wallpapers by tapping on wallpaper option, which will give you inbuilt wallpaper in your device. So now if you want to add a customized wallpaper and you want to fit that wallpaper in your home screen, now to do that what you have to do is just simply select a wallpaper that you would like to add. For example, I would like to add this, and after adding it what you have to do is just simply size it, and after adding in your lock screen you will find where you are adding this wallpaper. So in the top you will find home screen and lock screen option. Now if you want to add it in your lock screen, then just simply tap on lock screen, but if you want to add this wallpaper in your home screen, you can just simply tap on home screen and then tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right, and after doing that just simply tap on home screen and this will be added. And here you can see guys, the wallpaper fits in my screen. So that's it guys, this is how to make any photo fit as your wallpaper. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.